los 3 o 4 últimos.
Although at times we kept the ball very well, and we were certainly a threat in transition and counter-attack, maybe as the second half went on, we weren't able to keep the ball quite enough, and in the end you pay a price for that because they're a top side, and you could see that the last 20 minutes we were fatiguing and hanging on a little bit. It feels like a defeat for the players, but I couldn't be more proud of what they've done. I think they've really had a go at everything, and it was a healthy, positive performance.
Well, I think Southgate is working very good. You can see his team, like today, and he's very stronger. He has fast, he has quality, good mentality, a good tactical. So I hope the best for him and for the English team. They have been a very good match today against us. In the start is better for them because the penalties change our strategy, but in the end we get to score 2 goals, and I think that our character, our ambition, our mentality for them is the best for us today.